Welcome to lesson 1.4 Market Structure versus Retail Thinking. So lana ngizobe ngikhuluma or nginvezela ukuthi yini i-retail logic versus i-smart money logic. Then nginikeze a little intro to i-break of structure, change of character ne-inducement. So change of character and inducement, they work together. So in this lesson we are going to cover basic market structure and, more importantly, how smart money reads it differently from retail traders. So before I get into the lesson, I'd like to explain the retail logic versus the smart money logic. So a retail logic, it is the logic le esifika ngayo masifika ku-market, meaning that le logic le buyisebenzisa uma ungabe u-trader, like your support and resistance, your trend lines, your double top, double bottom, bullish flags, bearish flag, rising wedge, those concepts, right? So those concepts are mostly used by the retail traders. So when retail traders see support and resistance, smart money logic, they see liquidity for me. I thought. So that's the difference between the two. The smart money uses like about liquidity, your fair value gaps, your market structure shifts. So that's the difference between the two. So let's get into the lesson. So part one, what retail traders see compared to smart money traders. So they trade based on patterns. Patterns afana nabo head and shoulders, double tops, trend lines, namanye ama patterns. So here ngiveze ini head and shoulders, khona i-inverted head and shoulder le ebheke phezulu, right? Then there's a double top and there's also a double bottom. Ne? This double top creates ama equal highs, then double bottom is create ama equal lows. Then we have a trend line like that. So let's ngasho ukuthi rising channel, ne? So ama retail traders, they expect i-price ukuthi react off of ama zones. So izone yabo kungaba i-resistance zone or i-support zone, or it can be any of those two. So they expect ukuthi price react off of those things, whereas smart money logic, they prefer ukuhamba ne-order flow, like the market flow, rather than using zones. So retail sees a trend line like this and expect a breakout, but the smart money sees liquidity. So in this case right here, a price here create a buy side liquidity, then I create a sell side. So singasho ukuthi yini i-resistance le resistance, then support la. So ama retail esikhathini esiningi they expect, let's say i-price izoqala i-break resistance, bazo-expect ukuthi i-price izo-break resistance, then i-reteste iyenze i-support leyo resistance bese ichubeke. That's what retail sees. Or mangayibreak i-support iyenze i-resistance bese iyachubeka. But i-smart money ibona ini i-liquidity, hence i-price izothatha ini i-buy side liquidity bese ibuye ithathe i-sell side liquidity, then continue good direction one. So that's the difference between the two traders. Then we have a type snendlela smart money efunda ngayo structure. So they read structure using the series of highs and the series of lows. So nginvezele lana maningabheka kule structure sokuqala sinani sine-low ne-high, a higher low. So a higher low is because it's higher than the previous low. Then even a higher high because it's higher than the previous high. Then it could be higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is structure sign say uptrend. Then it's a downtrend. So it's a high ne low, a lower high because it's lower than the previous high, lower low because it's lower than the previous low. Then it could be lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is how, or like okuncane ngikuvezayo ngestructure. So this is like the small part of structure and how they view structure, the smart man. right all. Then kube break of structure. Break of structure, it is like when iprice libe lichubeka iya in one direction. So lana hence ngibhala ukuthi i-break of structure, it confirms a continuation. So on an uptrend, it is when it keeps on breaking highs. Then good downtrend, it is when it keeps on breaking lows. Then given a change of character. Change of character, it is when a price it change a character maybe from or a direction from going down to go up, or from going up to go down. So lana hence ngibhala ukuthi change of character signals possible reversal. So if bekuyi down trending market, the change of character izoyenza ukuthi iye phezulu. So mangizoyiveza, okay, before ngiveza, let me just finish it off right here. So change in perspective. So because most of us masiqala vele besebenzisa the retail logic, because we are all retail traders, right? Then until we found the right education, which is ICT or smart money concepts, so we shift our perspective, right? So once you start understanding the smart money concept, you will start to understand, and you will start not to chase every move eyenzakalayo, and also understand ukuthi why price imove. So kule structure, let's say smart money concepts, so besebenzisa like abo liquidity, ama imbalances, and yeah, and more. So great job, you did a great job by finishing module 1. In the next module, we'll talk about psychology, risk, and how to trade smart, not emotionally. But before I close off, let me show you the market structure shift model. Bye. Okay, this is it. So as you can see, like price be up creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then I figure like around between 6 a.m. no 9 a.m. That's when we saw in a market structure shift, right? It shifted from being bearish, now it's going to bullish. So yeah, this is the example I wanted to show you. Make sure you study it. Ask me anything that you want to know, that you want to find clarity on, then I'll make it simple for you. Hey, silungu naso sithanda ukuba njani njani. Ngiyabonga for watching. See you on the next one. Awe.